Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a shift knob on a Subaru WRX STI. The stock one looks like this. Don't get me wrong, it's decent, it's good quality, it shifts very nicely, but I have an accessory one aftermarket and it looks like this. I ordered it from Amazon. If you want to get the same, the link will be in the description. It costs about 20 bucks, if I remember right. So the whole process, this is my Subaru 2016 WRX STI model, but I don't think that the process will look something different in other car models in other years. So in order to replace a shift knob, you need to take out to uninstall the stock one, and when it comes from the factory it will sit very tight, so you just need to rotate it counterclockwise. Like this one I did not untighten yet, so I will do it the first time ever since this car was bought, and it have about 28,000 kilometers. So okay, just rotate it counterclockwise, and the first rotations will be a bit hard, and then just continue to rotate it, and then you see it will take about 15 to 20 rotations, and here it goes. And as manual suggests, you should also clean the threads. The mine is actually pretty clean. Again, as I said, I did not took it after I bought the car, so this is the first time I replaced the shift knob on this WRX STI. So the new one also will be installed the same way, but backwards. You put it back and you rotate it clockwise, and it also will take about 15 to 20 rotations. I didn't count. The last one will be very tight, but keep on going until you can't rotate it. A few more rotates and it becomes very tight, very heavy to rotate. Okay, a few more tights I suppose, but it's already good. And the new shift knob looks great to me. I mean, just compare it, the stock one. I like the red. It's not because of the color of the shift knob, the top part. I like the red, don't get me wrong, but I don't like the leather one. Like the stock one that comes from a Subaru dealer is have a leather lining, like this leather part, which I don't like. It's wet, it's like not as good when you touch it, when you hold it, so I didn't really like it. But this one is, it's some sort of Alcantara lining maybe, or something like that, I don't know, but it feels very great when you hold it and like switch your gears. So yeah, that's how it's done. As you see, very easy, so you can do it by yourself very easily. Thanks for watching, leave likes, subscribe to my channel. Maybe I will do more tutorials in future. And as I said, my car is 2016 WRX STI. Good day to you.